Namaste. Hello, I'm Advocate Jaya Shiva, and today I would like to cover the different types of cyber crimes. First of all, since we are very habitual to technologies these days, we would not find anybody who is not using the internet. Everybody has an access to the internet. Online transactions are also done. They are a norm these days in India. So the crime is also increasing in cyber world. So we already have laws in place for cyber crimes also. But first of all, we should understand what kind of cyber crimes are there. What are the different kinds of cyber crime that we may face? These are only few of the cyber crimes that our law covers. So first of all, the first kind of cyber crimes is, as we all know, unauthorized access and hacking. So as you all know, some people might be calling you and asking you for your KYC details, and then they are able to take out the money from your account, and then you do not have a control over your bank's transactions. So this comes under unauthorized access and hacking. Second type of cyber crime is web hijacking. That means if somebody has his own website, and they hack the website, and the owner of the website does not have a control over his website. Somebody else is doing the modifications or putting in the material that is not supposed to be there, or ruining the reputation of the particular website. The third type of crime is pornography. Pornography in the cyber world is like when they are showing the sexual acts in order to provoke the sexual excitement. So they can be like pornographical videos. They are not allowed in certain websites, and children above 18 years of age are only allowed to register themselves on certain website. The only reason is the pornography, which is a cyber crime these days. So in that they publish unethical and illicit videos or pictures online, which is not good for children to see, or for anybody. It's unethical. Nobody should publish these kind of videos. It is against the decent culture. Apart from that, the fourth kind of cyber crime is child pornography. In this kind of crime, what they do is they show the illicit videos to the children. First of all, they become friends with them, and they try to mingle with them, and they pretend as if they are their age, or they get some information from them. Then they try to meet them, and they try to get the sexual benefits from them. So this is also included in the cyber crime. Last but not least that I am covering is cyber stalking, wherein the stalkers, what they do is they try to harass the victim by putting the unwelcome statements. First of all, they get into the lives of the victim, and then they put certain things that victim is not comfortable with. Then they try to force and get things out of the victim. So this can be done for any benefit for the stalker. It could be physical, or it could be monetary. It could be any kind of benefit. So these kind of crimes are also covered in the Indian law, and next I will cover the laws that are covered for these kind of crimes in my next video. I hope this really helps, and that this creates an awareness for you regarding these kind of crimes. And I request you to like, share, and support my videos, and send it to as many people as possible, and especially to those who really need these kind of information. Thank you so much.